Since this activity is a little bit more easy, let's talk about a little bit more on regards on the structure and how to destructure. Now, what is the structure or the structuring in JavaScript? If you refer to the instruction, we actually have a hint. It says use const and the structuring to extract the name and price of variables from the product. The product is referring to this one. It's a variable. To extract would mean to obtain something. Now again, what is the structuring? The structuring is to obtain something uh, from somewhere, and those somewhere would be uh, objects, arrays, strings, functions, and variables. As you can see, we are about to destructurize a variable called product. And why is it used? It is actually used for code readability and for more convenient use to extract or to obtain something from somewhere. Now let's talk about its syntax. I mean, syntax. Pardon my French. Now, let's write down the const keyword and then we use again the curly braces to destructurize this product. We should always use the curly brace to extract those parameters or arguments. So those would be name and then price. And where is it from? We assign it to product because we are obtaining it from the variable called product. Nice.